This is a very sad news. It's really hurting. But the truth is, my Forex funds are not coming back. I don't see them coming back. And this is really disheartening. It really is. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. This is the Forex Blue Key, and we have all been seeing the news about my Forex fund, what is actually happening with the whole regulation thing. It just popped up. I saw the news on the page, and so many people were sending me the same news that my Forex fund just released. The truth is that I really didn't see it as a big of an issue at first when I just read through the first time, but after a lot of information's flying around, a lot of when I saw the report from CFTC as well, guys, and also what is actually going on in court right now, it's and also the documents that are flying around, guys, with all of the evidence that are stacked against them. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy, because my Forex fund is arguably the biggest prop firm currently, and personally I have benefited a lot from my Forex fund, and I have recommended my Forex fund to a lot of people. And when there was a time in my journey where I was really struggling financially, lost a lot of money, and trust me guys, my Forex fund was my saving grace as at that time, because I did lost a lot of challenge. I lose like 100k, 50k, like so many challenges with FTMO, with I think some other UK prop firms, but the few that I tried with my Forex funds actually gave me a big lift, right? And it was even a 5k account, guys. I started with a 5k account, and then I made about 2k withdrawals on that 5k account, and I bought a bigger account, and that was where the whole story changed for me. And it's so sad to see that a lot of people have accounts waiting for payouts currently, and they a lot of traders are also about to get accounts with my Forex funds, and this happened. Now let us address the issue. Listen guys, it is a different thing when we have to call a spade, regardless of the fact that these guys have been really doing a lot of things that we could see, that they make us see. But CFTC won't just come after you with zero evidence or just one or two evidence. I mean, they literally have a stack of evidence, and they have been investigating my Forex fund for over a year, and they didn't just come up with all of this, guys. There are text messages, emails that have been transponding between their third-party providers and servers, and a lot of things like that going on behind the scene that we actually didn't know. And the fact that these things have been revealed to us currently, guys, is really shocking, because we tend to think that these guys actually have our back, because they're paying, guys. They're literally paying. But if you look at the statistics of what is actually going on, how they make their money, the model that they use in making their money, you would realize that they are actually not on our side. Yeah, because we keep losing accounts, they keep making money, and then they make a lot of statements like we only make money when you make money. If you lose, we lose, right? That is the caption. That is one of the things that the CFC is actually holding against them, because that is what they claim, but that is actually not what is happening. I mean, if you check some of the evidence stacked against them, there's this one that really catches my attention and really blows my mind off, is where they have an automated system that is working against us. I mean, they charge 3%, $3 per lot as a commission, and the broker that they use is actually their broker, so there is no third-party broker that they are actually using. guys, it's just a lot of crap informations right now. It's just a lot of information stacked up against them, a lot of evidence stacked up against them. And that is why I say, guys, I really don't see them coming out of this, because there's a lot of illegal things that have been happening. I mean, it's really crazy, guys. It's really crazy. And going forward now, this is actually going to bring a lot of people, a lot of individuals and prop firms into so many questionable acts, and people are going to start asking questions, and even prop firms now are actually going to start hiding themselves. They're going to start changing things on their websites because they feel like someone has to be the scapegoat, guys. And it's so unfortunate that arguably the biggest prop firm is the top scapegoat right now. So a lot of these smaller prop firms are going to start hiding in their shell because there are a lot of dubious things that these guys are doing. But listen, there's so much on my mind to talk about, but it's just kind of crazy right now, seriously. Now, a lot of people might think that the best thing to do is, you know, to trade with your personal account. Trust me, prop firms have been really helping a lot of people. But if you look at it in another perspective, people have lost a lot more trading with prop firms than even trading with their personal accounts. But then again, you have the whole idea of, you know, you're risking a small amount of money to access bigger funds, and you can cash out big, right? But then again, this is almost a similar model that most of these unregulated brokers actually use, or even they actually use on us. So I'm not really gonna say the whole prop firm thing has been a bad idea. No, absolutely not. It has been awesome, and it is still very, very awesome. But what is happening with my Forex fund is going to shake down a lot of prop firms. Trust me, a lot of prop firms are going to change a lot of rules. They're going to hide. They're going to start, you know, trying to do things differently, because they know that this regulation is coming for everybody. It's coming for everybody, right? Most especially US registered prop firms. Now, one downside of this is that I don't see why you should in the first place register or open a prop firm, register a prop firm in the US or in Canada, because those states are highly regulated states when it comes to prop firm or when it comes to forex trading entirely, guys. No, that is why a lot of brokers don't even allow US traders register on their platforms, because the regulations guiding US traders is crazy, guys. Like, literally, they can't even allow you use leverage over 1:50, guys. Some give you 1:10, 1:20, 1:30. Like, why am I trading forex if I can have the massive leverage that I can get at my disposal, right? So basically, having a registered forex company in the US is already a big stunner for you, because my forex one is registered in Canada and in the US as well. But that is why they're getting this kind of shakedown, because whatever dubious thing they are doing is gonna get cramped up. It's just gonna catch up with you guys, and their cup is full. It's safe to say they have been scamming us, guys, because if you look at the allegations against them, it is crazy. It is crazy. I can't even explain, guys. I'm gonna drop the documents and the CFTC headline. You can see it right here. Just look at the guys. It's crazy. It's crazy. So going forward, what do we do if the biggest birds in in the industry have been cramped up like this, man. If you're still hoping that this guy's gonna come back, you're in a long thing. You gotta move on. And I just want to say this because I personally have promoted my forex fund. I have made videos about them because I feel they're one of my top, and it is quite unfortunate that this has happened, and I am very sorry, or I apologize if I have misled some people. Did I know that this was a bad idea in the first place? No. Did I know that they were scamming people? Absolutely not, because I'm a benefactor. I have benefited from my forex fund, no cap. They have been a very good part of my journey, but then with what they're doing so far, with how they're what they're doing against traders, to make sure that traders don't pass their challenges, how they manipulate the slippage, how they manipulate with the charges, and how they use automated softwares, guys. They created a software to work against traders. That is absolutely not acceptable. The whole idea is they're trying to make sure that you are a professional trader and you get funded and you make money from the forex market, while they also as well make money. But that was all bullshit, guys. That was all lies. The evidence states everything against them. So we just have to call a spade a spade. We still have a prop firm like FTMO, which is not registered in the US. I can't tell you at this point that they don't have shady things behind the scenes, but it is what it is right now. So going forward, guys, prop firms are really great. There is still a lot of good prop firms out there. One just have to be careful. My two top recommended prop firms when you want to really trade, apart from using HFT softwares to pass all this kind of other prop firms, I think it usually used to be My Forex Fund and FTMO, and now My Forex Fund has been ruled out, so I think we're just left with FTMO for the time being, until we see what's going to happen next. But you want to continue trading with your personal account, that's brilliant. Some people just don't have enough equity. That is why they go for prop firms. And learn, guys. Learn how to trade yourself. Learn how to grow small accounts into big accounts. That is why mentors are out there. That is why we have courses out there. That is why we have mentorship groups and signals and all of that. Take advantage of all of those. Yeah, do take advantage of that. And if you want to also have an automated system that trades for you, Blue Key account management is also available to you. There are a lot of other stuffs out there that you can actually take advantage of. But the most important thing is learn, guys. Learn how to trade yourself, because so many people don't even know how to trade yet, but they just want to take advantage of prop firms, and they get stung in the process. You're not ready to start trading and you're trading a prop firm account, or you've had someone managing your prop firm account for you. Just understand that you have to learn how to trade yourself. Do it the right way. And when you make money, when you make profits out of any prop firm, invest that money into something else, because the forex market is very unpredictable. The whole forex industry is very unpredictable. Anything can happen at any point in time. The market is always going to be there, but the bodies, the entities that make up this market, unpredictable things happen every day. So when you cash out, when you make profits, make sure you put that profit into good use. Put it into something else. Invest it in something else. Make sure that you are expanding your portfolio, your scope, and everything. And if you want us to manage your account, we have one of the best account management system that can help you make up to 50%, 60%, as the case may be. And we have one of the best forex trading robots that can work on your account and trade conservatively. Do not look for the 100% per day kind of stuff, because really they're unrealistic. But there are actually good ones out there that actually can work for you. And we have one of the best so far. So guys, that is my take so far on the whole My Forex thing. If you still feel like they're gonna come back, I doubt. they're not gonna come back. They're not gonna make it out of this alive. Trust me, they're not. And if they do, good for them. But that's gonna take a long time. It's gonna take a long time, guys. And the whole 2 weeks thing they're gonna back is bullshit, crap bullshit, because it's gonna go court case to court case of proceedings, and at the end of the day, it's just dreadful, guys. Okay, so if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be making videos to teach you guys how to trade the right way, also show you other ways that you can actually take advantage of making profit in the forex market. That is all we're about. Blue Key is here for you guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.